Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make cookies and cream using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients and prepare our workspace. This recipe is perfect for a quick treat, requiring minimal effort and no fancy tools. You'll be surprised how effortlessly you can create this delightful dessert, making it a fantastic option for any occasion. For this delicious treat, you'll need about 15 sandwich cookies, like the classic chocolate and cream variety. We'll also use 2 cups of cold heavy cream, 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. These few items are all it takes to create a rich and satisfying cookies and cream dessert that everyone will love. To begin, gently crush about 15 sandwich cookies into small, bite-sized pieces. You can use a food processor for a finer crumb or a Ziploc bag and a rolling pin for a more rustic texture. Next, in a separate bowl, whip 2 cups of heavy cream until it forms soft peaks. Then, gently fold in the crushed cookies, 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Once everything is combined, transfer your cookies and cream mixture to a serving dish or individual bowls. Cover it and refrigerate for at least 2 hours. This chilling time is crucial as it allows the flavors to fully develop and the mixture to set beautifully. Serve cold, perhaps with a sprinkle of extra cookie crumbs on top for an added touch of deliciousness.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.